Have you ever experienced that in spite of having great product, people are not buying your product, or they are buying other competitors product? Confused why this is happening? Then this video is just for you. Be with me till the end of this video, and I am going to discuss today in our NLP marketing secrets KLTTB formula for sales, and this is going to be game changer formula for you, right? Basically what happens, I'm NLP trainer, as I told you earlier also, and I did 16 programs in NLP learning, read so many books about NLP. So when I was doing NLP practitioner workshop in my city, and this was actually fourth workshop in the same city. So generally what we think is, now there might not be enough people to sell, right? I was also thinking like same whether to do it or not, but I did it. And I expected very less people this time, because this was fourth workshop, so the list of the people might be exhausted, kind of, I was thinking. And what happened, to my surprise, the hall, the banquet hall was full of people, and it was a successful workshop, right? So don't assume, never assume that everyone in your network, everyone in your list, or everyone you know, or everyone who might be interested in you, or everyone who might be interested in your products, or everyone uh, in your demographics, or everyone in your psychographics, right? So you got my definition of everyone, right? So do not assume that everyone has heard your selling pitch, right? There are many people left. So basically keep promoting, right? People will join out of the blue, and you'll never know who will join. So if you will talk about NLP insights over here, why this is happening, then people don't buy easily, right? They want to pass through a relationship cycle or relationship steps, and which I call KLTTB formula for sales, right? What happens? KLTTB stands for, K is for know. People want to know you first. Who are you? Where are you from? Who, what you stand for, what you sell, what is your purpose, how do you see future, right? People want to know all about this. Also, L stands for like, right? Then T stands for trust. Next it stands for try, and B stands for buy. So people, so NOTE stands for people want to know you. So what happens? Either people know you or people don't know you, right? But if they know you, then there are two options, that few people will like you and few people will not. So let's forget about those who are not liking you, but those who like you, out of them few people might trust you, few people might trust later, and few will never trust. I don't know what will happen. But if those who are trusting you, they will either try your product or don't try. So here our focus should be those who are trying our product. It is not your main product initially. It might be your promotional material, or it might be your entry level product, or it might be a cheap product you are selling. Anything, they might try, and if they are satisfied in this trial, they will buy from you. And again, if you really have a very good product, and if the product is giving results, then definitely they will become your clients. Earlier they were customers. Customer and clients are different. Customer is buying from you only once, but clients are people who are buying everything you produce. They will consume everything you produce, right? So look for clients, don't look for customers, right? So here I heard a digital marketer called Dagan Smith. So I heard that it's a very interesting thing what he does for marketing. How many times do you mail, email, or local mail your prospects or customers? He emails them daily, right? Yeah, and what he explains, like why he is mailing them daily, is it's like he was in relationship cycle, a relationship niche, and what he says is, it's like all my list are men, right? Boys. So what happens, that all these men are here on my list only for the entertainment purpose by now, for now, and they all have girlfriends, right? They want to learn how to improve relationship, right? Relationship is important for them, but right now they don't have any pain, right? They don't have any pain. So what will happen, that if they don't have any pain, they are not going to take action, right? Because there are two kinds of businesses. One is based on pleasure and one is based on pain. If we call pleasure business vitamin, then pain business is painkiller tablets, right? If you want to sell vitamin, you have to explain people a lot that after 5 years you will get this benefit, that benefit, and for that you have to take this pills now. And they are no, actually people don't have future vision. They are not going to agree with you, and they are not going to buy your product easily. But suppose if they are suffering from muscle cramp or from acne, whatever, they have pain, and if you are selling the painkiller, even if you don't tell anything, they will find from somebody that you are selling this, and they will come to you and they will buy your product, right? So there must be pain. So what will happen here, that they right now these people don't have pain because the relationship is good, but they will need my product. This is what Dagan Smith is saying, huh? No time to, so they will buy my product when somebody will break their heart, when they will face breakup, right? at that time at that time, when they will need my product, my email should be there in their mailbox daily, right? Or else what will happen, they will buy product from somebody else whose email is there into their mailbox daily, and that's why I'm sending daily mails, right? So I found it very interesting, and I also decided, yes, it must be there. You should be in touch of your customers so that they will become your clients. So inform them daily. It can be email, it can be WhatsApp, it can be Facebook Messenger, anything. It can be local mail, anything, but be in touch, right? So let's discuss about the question you should ponder over, like how many times will you pitch for sale? Daily, twice a day, many times a day? I don't know, it's your choice. So think about it and write down the answers in a notebook or in the comment box. Also, even if they don't buy, will you still sell? Even if they nobody buys, will you still sell? Or for how many days are you going to sell? Even if nobody is buying, even if nobody is buying, for how many months are you going to sell? Are you going to give your sales speech? Even if nobody is buying for a year or a 2 year, 3 year, are you still going to give your sales speech? Are you still going to run your webinars? Are you still going to post on your social media? Are you still going to live on social media? That's what you should think upon and decide a strategy and stick to the strategy and take action. Right? So this was all about NLP marketing secrets, KLTTB formula for sales. I hope you like this formula, and I will see you into the next video. Bye for now.